Hello everyone, this is Ali from OpenQP team, and this is the first video of playlist named How to Use OpenQP. This video will be extremely short, and there will be a short introduction to OpenQP and how to install it. OpenQP is Open Quantum Platform, which is an open source code that you can run your calculations, different type of calculations. But the main feature of this OpenQP platform is mixed reference spin flip TDDFT, which has been developed and implemented in our lab. And you can use our code to connect it to other external programs, like using Pyramid to do NAMD, or using Orca to do conical intersection search or transition search. All of these codes and how to use them are in wiki page of this GitHub, and I will cover them in this playlist. And the way you can install OpenQP, actually the simplest way is pip install OpenQP. You can just say pip install OpenQP in your Linux and it will work. You will not face any problems. Or you can use Docker image itself, or you can use Docker image with Jupyter. They all are in our wiki. If you click here, you will find them. Or there are some standard ways that you clone the code. But before that, please make sure that you have these requirements. Clone the code, then you can compile it without MPI and with MPI, or you want to use make instead of Ninja here, you can do it. That's easy. After that, you have to load your environment, and to check if everything installed correctly and it works, you can test OpenQP to see all the jobs are passed without any problem. And after that, if you want to use MPI, you can simply do this. This video was supposed to be so short, but from the next one we will dive into different type of calculations and some techniques that you can use OpenQP better. I hope you enjoy it.